We are starting now Cannizaro reaction. Okay? Cannizaro reaction. Aldehydes which do not have an alpha hydrogen atom undergo self-oxidation and reduction. There is disproportionation reaction on heating with concentrated alkali. In this reaction, one molecule of aldehyde is reduced to alcohol while another molecule is oxidized to sodium salt of a carboxylic acid. And that is converted to an acidification with HCl and carboxylic acid. So let us start now. When OH minus, you know it is an equal atoms on the carbon atom, and the pi bond goes towards the oxygen atom as oxygen is more electron than carbon, gives rise to the product. This product, where O minus is formed and another O minus is formed due to attack of this nucleophile OH minus on this hydrogen, takes up the proton, and the bond between the oxygen and hydrogen goes towards the carbon-oxygen bond, thereby leading to the product HCO minus, O minus, and another H. This O minus attacks on this carbon-oxygen bond, and the hydride attacks on this carbon-carbon atom, and the pi bond goes towards the oxygen atom, thereby a hydride shift is happening and leading to the product sodium formate, and this is sodium formate, you know, and sodium salt of methanol. On acidification with HCl gives rise to the product. One product is formic acid and the another product is methanol. This is the disproportionation reaction, you know. The main step of the reaction is hydride shift, which reduces one formaldehyde molecule to sodium salt of methanol, and thereby making the another molecule, this molecule, to sodium formate. And after acidification, both are converted to methanol and formic acid. Okay.